Jesus Christ, get off the computer.
How we making cars great again right here, man. This car is gonna be a monster when I'm done with it. Watch. Not performance wise, just you'll see. You'll see. That's what that. We got cooking, Terry.
Bello on the bello.
Popping out here, y'all. 2013's out today. Oh. Little Mally. Y'all see what's cooking? A little something back here. Y'all see it. 4-door. My homeboy Jeremy got his out here. His 4-door. 6'4". Don't put it together. I'm gonna bring my 2-door out here so he can look at it. Park it next. Mine's is red. SS Impala though, 2-door, of course. He got that 4-door. Yeah, doing some great things though. Definitely doing some great things. The shop made a little bit of progress, not too bad. Everything working out pretty good. I still have little ways to go. Drop in distributor, get the motor mounts welded to the frame, of course. Drop in distributor, wire everything up. We gotta track down some wires though, to wire everything up and get everything going. And still gotta get the schematics off the wiring diagram on that car, which I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So, but making good headway on that car. So get it together. So the other colors I had, the 1981, I sold it. Pretty solid car, pretty straight car, nothing wrong with it whatsoever. I got too many projects, you know what I'm saying, and I got other cars I'm trying to get around to. So next, after this Grandprix, once I get it all painted up and stuff like that and get the interior re-dyed, I'm going to be playing with the 69 Cutlass and the 64 Impala. Then, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to show day in, day out work on those cars to get those cars, you know what I'm saying, good footage on there and everything else like that. I am going to finish the Cutlass. At the same time, I'm gonna get the Grandprix together. As when I get around time to paint the Grandprix, the color should be completely done and wrapped up. So I can't wait to start filming that and getting all the progress on that car done and caught up. So that way, kind of get everybody caught up to speed. I know people seen that car was looking like, wait, it's red now. It was just blue, and I'm like, yeah, blue just didn't sit with me, man. It's not my color. So I wanted to definitely redo it. And you know what I'm saying? You know when something is you and something's not you. You know what I'm saying? I caught myself trying to do a red and blue theme on that car. It just didn't work out for me. I just didn't like it. You know, the blue got boring fast. That red I can look at all day long, you know. But, you know, when it's your build, it's your car, it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks, you know what I'm saying? You got to do what's best for you and what you like. So that's what I was building it for. So, you know what I'm saying? No hate, you know what I'm saying? All love. But, yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm going to be putting that together. And like I said, filming every little bit and piece on that. And I'm also going to be doing a update on the fuel system, because a lot of people been asking me, like, you know, how is the fuel system working out. I did make some changes, but I'll get into that in the next video, so stay tuned.